Good morning, everyone. Today is June 5, and let's see what is the market telling us. Before we start, I would like to tell you something, and it's regarding yesterday's talk about Bitcoin, which was basically the following. I was expecting to go down. I opened the trade down and I got 85,000 views or something and 20 or something comments telling me that, Haik, you are stupid or what? How are you shorting it? When the market is gonna go up, you are crazy, you are whatever. Let me tell you something. It's not about what you see, okay? It's about what the market tells you. So read the market, because there are two fundamental things, right? First of all is the weekly, the monthly, the daily chart, everything. When you combine them together, you can understand really the market direction. And once you understand the market direction, you can take the appropriate trades. For me, the market direction is basically the supply and demand zones, where the imbalance of the market tells you whether it's going to go up or down. Doesn't matter how I feel about the coin itself, okay? Because that doesn't matter how you feel. No one cares about that, but everyone cares about how the daily closed, how the weekly closed, the monthly long-term game. But the weekly, daily, 4-hour charts are the most important things. So please, whenever you are looking to the chart, first of all, look and see if the last candle closed up, down, and depending on that, okay, you will understand whether the market is going to go up or down. It isn't that difficult to understand that, because it's pretty easy. The problem is the emotions we have related to the market, because we want to go up, we want to go down. Who are you to want to go up or down? Just look the chart, analyze the chart, understand the chart, and based on that, do your trades. That's simple. I'm gonna be providing more details on how I do things, okay? Because it seems like people are really not understanding the way I am approaching this. So to do that, I would like to tell you the following. Look, we have a weekly candle close down, right? With a bigger body than the previous one, teaching us that this week we are gonna see downside pressure, selling pressure on Bitcoin on the weekly chart. Then on the daily chart, what I'm waiting always is to have a red candle, because when we have a red candle, weekly red candle, then we have a closed red candle on a daily. Guess what? Today, for example, or yesterday, which was the case, we would be having a continuation of this, because the weekly chart is pressuring down, the daily chart is already down. So what we need to do is basically to find the best spot possible to short the market. That's all it is. So here, yesterday was basically this candle closed. So we had this candle, okay? So what happened is that I told, look, I see it shorting, and people like 85,000 views, okay? You are nuts, you have no idea at all, the chart isn't confirmed, see the Trump latest tweet, close it in my opinion. You have 20 minutes to close it, get wrecked soon, live liquidation videos, your position will simply be liquidated. Never happened that, okay, because I closed it in the break even, it went down. I got some news about the Moscow exchange that got the Bitcoin futures trading included there, which was a bullish pressure, okay, that's why I just closed that. So, and tons of other stupid things. Even some stupid told me that I was doing a Photoshop or something like that. Anyways, I do what I know the best, so I know how the markets behave, and I start slowly building again, because I've been scammed over $500,000 in the past. I'm starting with $2,000. The trading, aiming to grow it to 2.5 million in 700 days by growing 1% every single day. Okay, super important to understand, because for me it's important to be back on trading, and I'm doing my best to grow. Okay. That being said, yesterday's candle again was closing down. So for me, as for now, because we don't have any real demand zones, we had this demand zone which should have pushed all the way here, and yeah, we got these levels pretty much. The spike that we got from this demand zone, we got it here, and here we have also with the tails supply pressure. We have also on the daily chart something like this, which is yet to be confirmed the upward trends. Therefore, I'm a seller for now. And the best way to approach this is the following. We have the 4-hour chart, which we clearly see here level where basically we got a support, then it break down, is now a resistance, and you can see that as soon as it went up, right now is going down. In 2 hours 20 minutes it's gonna close down, and this candle most probably is gonna continue going down. Okay, Bitcoin for me again is a clear sell for now. And if we just do it something like this, what you can do if you are a skeptic, you can just wait the Bitcoin drop down here, go up again, and maybe like this here at this level, try to sell it. Basically at the same level that we are right now, but we just have to wait and see whether it's gonna reverse here, then continue going down, or risk the opportunity to sell here because can continue going down. I'm not sure, but based on what I see, getting this retracement from here and going down, it's pretty not probable, right? So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just check, and here I see in the 5-minute chart, okay, a nice supply zone, and because we have this support line, okay, I can expect that maybe it can go up again once more, try to touch this level, then after I'm gonna short it from here. Short it again, like I said yesterday, 103K is the target for now, but the real target is at 97,000, where the big boys are waiting to get in. Okay, that was for the Bitcoin and the overall sentiment of the market. See you in the next one. Please subscribe, because I really need your eyes here if you want to understand how to approach the market. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.